Hi, I'm Russell. I'm engineer in GFE Solutions. I'm working in a FMW project.
What helps you understand colleagues from other countries?
Surprisingly, it's not just about language. Of course, English is the foundation, but what helps most is shared engineering thinking. When we discuss a problem, we understand when system is working, system is not working. We read diagrams, tables, graphs, and they are universally understood anywhere in the world. And also, respect and patience. Without this, nothing works.
How do you solve problems when your approaches are different?
First, we talk. Sometimes we argue and it's okay. Everyone coming here with his own cultural and professional background. Some of us prefer strict planning, others are more flexible and iterative. We had moments when an unconventional idea of somebody from another country solved a problem we'd been stuck on a days. The key is to stay open-minded.
What have you learned from colleagues from other cultures?
Probably the most valuable thing is different perspective on solving problems. People from different countries have different approaches that I haven't. Because of their culture and professional experience, in different countries, different fields of industry are developed more. All of us understand it and we are using it. It is helpful not only in work, but in real life too.
In your opinion, what is the strength of engineering thinking?
Engineering isn't only about technology. We should be able to find a problem, break it down, find a cause, and build a solution. It is a universal language. Maybe we are from different countries, but it doesn't matter. When we're working like one system. Engineers are connected by ideas. So, in this case, borders don't matter.
What inspires you in working with people from around the world?
I'm inspired by the idea that we are so different here and we're working together like a single mechanism. We're growing up together like engineers. There is something powerful about that I feel myself part of something bigger than just a project. That's what global engineering really is.